Hi everyone, welcome to my cyberspace. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why you might not want to learn Excel and why you might want to learn Excel as a data scientist or data expert. I think Excel is just that tool you get to pick up just by you just have to know how to use Microsoft Word. You can never really knew, when did I start to learn how to use Microsoft Word? You just started to get to know how to use Microsoft Word. But first of all, welcome to my cyberspace. And now let's get right into it. You might not want to learn Excel if you really want to make a lot of money in data analysis or data scientists, because it's simple. A lot of people know how to use Excel, and a lot of organizations that are more forward thinking are not using Excel, even though a couple of them are still using Excel. I mean, you might not just want to learn Excel first of all. You might just want to skip and go to Power BI, because Excel has a lot of limitations, For example, with the date, it has a lot of limitations with some things you could do. You still have to click every now and then before you do anything, compared to if you are using a coding language. You also can't easily collaborate with people, and so you can collaborate but not easily collaborate with people. So it could sometimes be frustrating. If you know how to use Excel so well, you might not necessarily find a lot of data jobs out there that would expressly put it up that they want to use Excel, or they need somebody who's an Excel expert, and except maybe VBA and all of that. But another reason why you might want to learn Excel is that I think it's an easy tool to quickly break into data. For example, the whole learning about data analytics techniques, trying to understand the whole concept is complex in itself, but learning Excel is just one way to learning Excel is very simple. So learning the tools, the techniques, it's complex, so you are not having to deal with whole level of complexity. So that's why you might want to learn Excel. But my general recommendation is, if you don't have so much of a time, you can skip learning Excel and come back to learning Excel. For me, my career journey, I didn't necessarily learn Excel as a start tool as a data analysis. I learned other tools. Then when I started to learn Excel, it was really very easy because I knew how to use the complex tools. But for you, if you're just trying, or you don't know what will be a direction, my ultimate recommendation would be try to know at least the basics of Excel, do some basic stuff in Excel, then maybe move to more other tools that are more concerning or your preference. So if you feel this video was a value for time, do well to like, subscribe and follow. In the next videos, I'm going to be talking about how to load in a data in Excel, also how to analyze the data in Excel as a data analyst, and also the thinking process. Thank you. Ciao.